Experiencing charging issues with your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 is a common frustration, especially as of 2025. Let's identify the most frequent problems you might encounter. The most frequent problems include the earbuds not charging when placed in the case, incorrect LED status indicators, intermittent charging connections, or complete charging failure after 12 to 18 months of use. Before assuming a hardware defect, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. First, let's check the case battery level. First, ensure the case has sufficient battery by checking the LED indicators. The LED will show green for good battery, yellow for medium, red for low battery, or no light if the battery is completely dead. Next, we need to inspect the charging contacts. These are the gold-plated connection points that transfer power from the case to your earbuds. Inspect the gold-plated charging contacts on both the earbuds and the case for any visible debris, earwax, corrosion, or damaged plating. Even small amounts of contamination can prevent proper charging. Proper alignment of the earbuds within the case is crucial due to the magnetic contact charging system. Even slight misalignments can prevent charging. The magnetic contact charging system requires precise alignment. Make sure the earbuds sit flush in their designated compartments with the charging contacts properly aligned. If you notice any dirt, corrosion, or alignment issues during your inspection, these problems need to be addressed before your earbuds will charge properly. You've now completed the basic troubleshooting checklist. If you found any issues during your inspection, the next section will guide you through the specific cleaning and reset procedures to fix these problems. The first and most effective solution is to clean the charging contacts. This resolves about 78% of charging issues, according to recent data. You'll need isopropyl alcohol with 70% concentration or higher, and a cotton swab or Q-tip for precise cleaning. Clean both the charging contacts on the earbuds and inside the case. Remove any debris, earwax, or corrosion buildup. This step alone fixes most charging problems. If cleaning doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to reset your earbuds. There are two types of resets you can try. First, try a soft reset by holding the case button for 10 seconds. This refreshes the connection without losing your settings. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a factory reset. Place the earbuds in the case and hold the button for 30 seconds until the LED flashes. This will restore factory settings. Step 3 involves testing your charging accessories. Sometimes the problem isn't with the earbuds, but with a faulty cable or power adapter. Try a different USB-C cable and power adapter. Many charging issues are actually caused by worn-out or incompatible charging accessories. Step 4 is checking for firmware updates. Recent updates, particularly version 3.2.1 and later, have fixed many charging inconsistencies. Open the Bose Music App and connect your earbuds. The app will automatically check for available firmware updates and guide you through the installation process. If none of these steps resolve your charging issue, it's time to contact Bose support, especially if your earbuds are still under warranty. Contact support if you notice physical damage to the charging pins, if your device is under the 2-year warranty, or if these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue after multiple attempts. Remember, about 12% of charging issues require hardware replacement, but the majority can be resolved through these systematic troubleshooting steps.